For somebody who uses a wheelchair, it's your whole life. If I don't have a functional wheelchair, I don't get out of bed, I don't go to work. All the things that you do without thinking about it. So an event like this brings people together who depend on this kind of tech to work with open source tools to make our lives better.
We're committed to improving the accessibility of open source, empowering people with disabilities to contribute to open source projects, and really supporting the growth and adoption of assistive technology. The hackathon brings all of that together by creating a space where people with lived experiences, developers, and maintainers can contribute to real solutions.
My hope and dream as a blind product designer is that this is the first of many. People are excited to be around like-minded people. And most importantly, it's great to see people with disabilities being actively engaged.
The fact the work is happening inspires more people to get involved because they see that now there is a bit more of an open door.
It's the beginning of an initiative to improve the accessibility of open source and open up possibilities for people with disabilities. And the conversations that started here over the last 2 days will continue on for the benefit of the community.
The best accessible solutions come from building alongside people who will use them. And accessibility is not just a conversation, it's becoming a shared practice.